And we're back with another video. We're doing Amon Warren. We record our little date night. Let's get into it. Hey, Reginae.
Y'all, she's telling me I need to trade my camera when I really don't want to no more. I don't. I'm going to use yours.
It's too big, but
it is.
It look nice, though. The quality look nice. I don't know.
But it's a shooting
not like
camera.
a traveling camera. And this one looks so like...
What? Yeah, we fixed
Look cute, girl. What is you talking about?
it.
And you fixed it?
Yep, we got it
But
charged.
I want a new camera.
For what? You got a G7X.
I still want a new one.
What
I
you
want a new G7X.
You got the Mark III.
I want two.
For what? What's going on? All right.
You got her liking vlogging now. You rubbing off on her.
She won't
You
too.
see what happens to our cameras? They get sand in it. They like it be taking a while to get fixed.
What happened to that? Oh, I left that one in LA, huh?
Yeah, the sand one.
That's the one we didn't need. We didn't leave yours in LA because yours is a good one.
And you know I ain't leaving my camera.
Oh, yeah. Hell no. Oh, I know that. If I know one thing, I know she ain't leaving that camera or she ain't missing her editing time. You know what I'm saying? So we got to get that understood. I'm finna go
We love that about you, Reginae.
grab these bags for y'all. I told y'all what had happened with the merch, but we getting it out. Let's do it. Got some videos coming. Bae figuring out the video she want to do. So when I get back from picking up these bags, we're going to jump into her video. So make sure you go in the description below and, you know what I'm saying, go subscribe to her page. Go subscribe to Mondrian page. And
Amen, too. All right. While we on it, fam. Petty fam. Let's subscribe to the Petty fam. And be part of it. Like, comment, subscribe. And like he said, go ahead with Reginae and Marsha Brown and Armand and everybody. But include me too, bruh.
we finna hit y'all with some vid. I had to zoom in, sorry. How you doing?
See all this love. I love it.
What we doing?
Just, you know, I'm about to get on the elevator. About to open up right now.
She thought. But, yeah, y'all, we having us a little movie night. Creed just came out.
Yes,
so
y'all know you love him some boxers.
yeah, we finna watch, get something to eat in there, right? I'm sorry, yeah, I'm a little tall, so.
Ain't nothing wrong being tall, bruh.
So now you rock with my camera, because she used to talk about my camera, y'all.
I mean, your camera just get very... It's me. Y'all, we about to go get something to eat, watch some, well, we're eating at the movies.
Eating at the movies, but we're about to watch it.
That is so much fun to eat at the movies, y'all.
I noticed that I said eating this whole day. Something wrong with me.
You was hungry the whole day?
I don't know, I guess.
Okay. How y'all doing? How you doing? Appreciate it. Yeah, so we finna go get something to eat. Baby girl don't like being down here. She's running to the car. Like her papa don't got fire on me. Crazy, man.
Don't show me.
I'm not. Wait.
Be careful, sir. Don't be showing her all her stuff like that thing we just passed by. I hope y'all didn't see that.
We got the dough.
Oh, hey, Rob.
Hey, how you doing? Got something to grab to give you, ma'am.
You see the theme today with the love and the roses. I love that. It ain't even Valentine's Day, y'all. It ain't even for y'all that know about Sweetest Day. It ain't even Sweetest Day yet. I mean,
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and grab you some flowers, baby. You know what I'm saying?
so happy a superstar, sis. Love it.
You pretty and you look beautiful.
I love it.
I love you more. Thank
Ew, you pretty and beautiful girl.
you. I appreciate you. Thank you, my guy, for doing
And he appreciates you.
that for me, man. So yeah, we finna go watch this Creed movie. Finna go see what that's about. And then we'll check back in with y'all.
No, finna go see Michael B. Jordan beat some ass.
Yeah. But I heard he got knocked out.
That's my girl right there. She just gonna lay it out there. She said she about to see him beat some booty.
Did my mans get knocked out, bro? They ain't teach you no defense.
They really
in
should
that
have had
motherfucker.
you play the part. You would never get knocked out.
That's what I'm saying. They gotta know that.
That's what I just...
Pick up your man, girl. I'm with you. Go ahead. Y'all let Armand start. He photogenic and stuff. He know how to box. What's up?
They gotta know that. They gotta let me play next time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gonna see y'all in the next clip on...
Yeah.
Oh, welcome back to my channel, gang. Welcome back to my channel, man. Hold on, I gotta show gang.
Well, I gotta do that too.
My gang just landed in here, man. What's the deal, twin? What's the deal?
Hey, Pooh.
P, how you feeling, man? Come on, man. Hey, P.
I'm feeling P. Rick.
Hey, P, how you feeling, P? You all right, my boy?
Yes, hey, P.
Hey, P, for real. Something you need to know. Hey, look, man, we finna go probably hit the jeweler real quick. My boy already did. My boy brought in some shit though. Yeah, I know that. But we finna go probably hit the jeweler. Grab this will be my dress. Yeah, I like this one.
Yes, sir.
So look, man, we probably finna go hit the jeweler real quick. You know what I mean? Probably finna go grab something. I don't know, bro, cause they for what I want they charge me. I'm finna look at bro stuff. Y'all know we got this shit in house too. But we gonna see what's up with that, man. Y'all know me. I'm gonna try to talk them people down. But if not. You feel what I'm saying? We gonna see what to do. My young nigga gonna go in there. He already talked them down for to where he wanted them him to be at. So he good. I ain't talked them down to where I want them to be.
We're gonna hit that with a 2 for 1.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
gotta drop my niggas if you dropping mine.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Y'all coming, if my man's coming giving y'all 30, 40, give me the Cuban for about 20. Right, bro?
Sure. 20, 15.
Exactly. Tell him, man. So go talk about it because he know, man. Talk to my young nigga, man. He know, man. We need a 10, 15, 20, not 10. Because not type of Cuban, not even 15. But 20, cool.
A dub.
The W what?
A W what we do.
The W what we can do it. They gonna try to push it up, though.
They gonna do that.
What you think?
We gonna come back and count off.
Right.
It's negotiation. We gonna count off.
We gonna negotiate it, man. But nah, y'all, we gonna probably go to the car lot too. I don't know. We just gonna be vlogging for y'all, man. Me and my mans, yeah, my man's in town, so we gotta turn up. We gotta just go vlog for y'all. We gonna do a couple of things, so just stay tuned on. Okay. You know what I mean? Come follow me. Show y'all real VVS. You know what I mean?
Got wear a chain to go get one. See, they be thinking.
Hold on. See, hold on, show the go yard. Show the go yard. You know what I mean? Show the go yard. Don't forget to show the go yard. You ever forget the go yard, shit'll get real lengthy for you, little bro. Know that. Hold on. Come here. Zoom in.
Ooh, shiny.
Yeah. But say it with me, I don't know y'all yet. Bro, I'm trying to put this shit on.
You struggling, bro. Like, you don't know what you're doing, bro.
It do. Do it still look like I'm
I
struggling?
got some too.
Come on, man. I don't want it.
I got some too.
Man. It's funny, little dog. You good over here, bro? You always laughing like something funny. What y'all laughing at home for? What's so funny?
I'm laughing because y'all laughing. I can't laugh.
Yeah, y'all. So only did this just to show y'all. This is probably $1 million in jury. It's 30,000, 20,000, 30,000, 5,000, 5,000, 60,000, 10,000, 50,000, 50,000, 30,000, 25,000, 12,000, 42,000, 12.5 thousand. And that's not a praise. If we going to praise, 50,000, 30,000, 50,000. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's Bootsy Badass. This how Bootsy be walking in that bed. I had a couple celebrity games. I need to be walking in like.
I don't want to put out my I'm trying to live.
Just walking in.
Oh, I don't see all the players.
That boy got some shit. That boy let him brought that shit over here. Yeah, bro.
I'm putting like Mr. T.
My man's called me get on the game. He told me, what the fuck you doing, dog? So what's going on?
Yeah, they're trying to build a huge training compound off the street for police. Militarized police trained to repress us, keep us from organizing.
Oh, wow.
Home Depot,
Okay.
Delta Airlines.
Okay. I'll bring awareness to it. Y'all stay positive. Y'all stay positive. Stay positive. Stay positive.
Shot is like I'm just going back.
Hey, y'all stay positive. For real, man. Hey, stay positive, brother. Stay positive. Always stay positive. Stay positive, brother. Remember that. Keep a positive mindset. Stay positive, brother. I really just called you for something, babe, and I just forgot. Babe,
When that happens, when you call somebody or you got something to say and then you forget what you got by the time you get sit down.
Bro, I hate when that happens, man. Okay, mama, I'm gonna call you. I love you. Okay. Man,
Oh, he just called to say he loved her. That's what that was.
I was finna call and talk to my girlfriend about it. Found a new family. I'm not gonna lie, man. I know, but I can't lie, bro. I probably won't shop nowhere else. I'm just gonna be real. They show too much love. I'm finna cop this now. Feel me? I got a little matching set to it. About to get baby girl something. But this is too beautiful. I feel like I seen this somewhere.
Oh, it's a dime? Yeah. But see, nobody's got this. But see, I don't like yellow though.
Yeah, well,
I'm a rose and white type of nigga.
Rose and white ski. Oh, but that go with that fit though, son. Go get bro. Go get bro. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, nigga buffed up. Hey, you hear me? I'm finna come rose. I got the rose and the white. Big John, I'm finna go and go to the rose. All rose. Hey, Peasy, you going there? They say they want to see me fees. They say they want to see me 5 for it. I'm trying to die.
I gotta go here.
Yeah, that's it.
You might as well just go ahead and toss this to me. He might as well just toss this to his little bro. I just got this out. You might as well.
Let me see your setup.
I'm about to, But yeah, you should. I ain't gonna lie. They showing love, brother.
I can't let it go.
I was just trying to second guess the cue. I'm like, I would never. They're showing too much love. You should have it. Yes, Hershey. Yeah, man. Tell Cuddy stop playing, man. Tell Cuddy stop playing with me, man.
I ain't gonna lie, let me see.
Sitting right. Righteously. This may be it, bro. This may be it. He don't do this, I may do this.
You got the white one.
He don't do it, I may do it.
Man, do be.
But see, the white.
Can you call him right now? I'm trying to go on here. Hey, he's in the route.
Yeah, this not regular, bro. What buddy trying to.
It does look nice on him though.
Let me see, man, because I don't be wanting y'all to be. Mine's just click straight off, so. Man, why we coming to each other stuff? I had an intent on. Man, boy, you crazy. Got that bit fit your image.
I think 41, 42. Let's check it. You see it?
Fucking with that. He fucking with that neck. He's like, look at it. Yeah, alright. Nah, for shit show. Cuddy, I'm about to work something out with Cuddy. I gotta leave with this today. I gotta work something out with Cuddy. He said at 20. Which he fair. He fair. Yeah, the cops of the day. I'm finna get baby girl something custom made. I'm gonna get her something custom.
I already got 3. I'm gonna swap it back.
You gotta dump that. You gotta dump the what's name? Don't have me by the he trying to have me by the
Nah, I got 7s, so I got the. You remember the 3s was in the white. They just take the diamond out. I still got the white set, and I put them in rows.
Oh,
so
okay.
Take these out the white set and put them in rows. I'm still gonna have sets. So I can swap them the diamond.
Okay.
And this bitch,
Swapping diamonds, y'all.
Oh, man. Boy, that boy went double trouble. Oh, man. Ooh, what that is? How much that is?
Mufasa.
He needs some for advertising, but you know, I'm being petty. They look nice though.
6. That bit hard. Ooh, hey, Romeo.
I got a question.
Let me see it, Romeo. You can put it on one of these cubes, can't you?
No. I don't have that space.
No, this ain't big enough. This, look.
You gonna get that ugly pen?
I gotta get both of my baby girls made some chains, bro, custom pieces. The L and the R. Baby just bought this from y'all.
Yes, sir.
You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah, box it up. And wear this hoe out, man.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
That's my splash, bro, though. Come on, man. What you trying to do now, Romeo? You trying to make all the leave?
I forgot about it. So
all right, y'all. So, I'm probably finna talk to Romeo. I'm getting my daughter and my baby girl a custom piece made, so can't have y'all be into that because y'all will go DMing and telling her. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Shout out to my guy Romeo, man. Getting me my splash, bro. Right?
You know, right here.
Easy.
You know.
Come on,
full 18 karat gold, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no fuck shit. 18 karat gold.
18, I mean, the big way. I had to get, it's been a long time coming for this show. I had to get me this, man. You know what I mean? Yes, Sirski. 150 on gang grist. All right, man, we'll see you when we get back, bro. Thank you. Yep. Okay. All right. So, trying to get something to eat. We have Papa Do's. I don't know who told these people to go to Papa Do's. Cause
now y'all got to Papa Do's where y'all live. Let me know in the comments what you like to get. What's your favorite thing? And if you don't, then when you go somewhere, it be at the airport and stuff like that if they got it in the town.
sensitive, but
get you some alligator in your life.
we finna see what's up.
Some calamari up in this piece.
Doing good. How you doing? You alright? Look, man, so y'all to chill with us. Seeing us spend good bag today. Get the food. My girl, hold on, let me get you. Oh, that's my girl.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That's my dude, man. Come on, man.
Fried tilapia.
Thank you, my man. Fried tilapia, you know what I mean? We gonna eat good real
That fish is good, y'all.
quick. You know what I mean? And then we gonna get up out of here.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Strawberry lemon busted.
comment, and subscribe. Press that bell notification so you know if I every time I post. Make sure y'all go follow my people. They channel will be in the description. Let's get it, man. See you on the next daily vlog on game. Okay. Yeah, I know. I've been a little drizzle, huh? Are you ready? Yeah.
Oh, they too cute. This is the video set.
Here, man, because I can't even get it out. It's cool. It's cool.
Alright, so back to back, kind of hold. If y'all want to hold hands, y'all can. Y'all have to.
Yeah, we start holding it as the song goes on. I'll probably grab it.
Alright, let me know you good, baby.
Good.
Alright, y'all ready?
Go from there.
I caught you, and you know that it's a catch. I
Let's
can't
go.
lie, I look
Just cut
back
around.
and be
Just cut
next to
around.
you. So I flunked you.
I said you just cut around and edit.
Just go around?
Yeah.
Okay, but all the shots of her on the backside.
Oh.
I guess.
Alright, so we need to start that way?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, just kind of go.
Sure, you gotta come over here.
I caught you, and you know that it's a catch to you. I can't lie, I look better when be next to you. So I flaunt you, in case you feel like they rejected you. I'm a king, you a queen, this what's best for you. Yeah.
Ow.
Oh yeah, keep it
Oh yeah.
100, she gon' be right there.
Right there.
I'ma love you right long as you right here. You can spend
Right here. I like this song, y'all. Did y'all check this song out? Y'all go ahead, like the comment, the video. Y'all go buy his single.
the night, you know you my little yeah. Fuck up the lace front. I done got me a little baddie, like let me take one. Drop a piece of me a addy, I'm about to break some.
Yeah.
Shit, and then y'all kind of make the way to hurt some
Right.
shit.
Okay, so you want to do that?
In the back of the gate. I'm like in the back.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm not doing it. Okay. So you want me in the back of the thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just shoot around. You know, you probably trying to impress her type shit.
Like this.
Yeah.
Bro, you can't impress her like that, bro. Hit the brick.
All right, Petty fam. He said, "Don't bricks, no bricks."
You know what? I want to have a conversation with him.
Come over there like
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up on
Make
you.
it wait.
I'm gonna pull up on you.
How about this? You shoot her, then midway through a shot, you notice her,
Right.
and then you kind of just like throw the ball up,
Right.
walk over there type shit.
Yeah.
Then y'all performance is right after the game.
Okay, you know what? I love the fact that he representing the Pistons. All right, Detroit. I see you, bro. I see you. Get your team, boo.
Let's just do some natural shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's do something natural where I shoot it or something and it's like a conversation. Then I push up on you. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to do it too rehearsed because then that's when I'm going to be forgetting and all that. But I shoot one shot and then let's just, you know what I'm saying? But I want you to say something like you miss it. So if I miss, you can say that.
Okay.
And that'll push me over to you. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
So yeah, let's do it like that. Yeah.
Go make it.
I think that's it. You act like you know how to play basketball.
Alright, I'm ready.
That's too cute, I swear. Could you imagine, like, if they got married and have kids and stuff like that, And then, you know, they kids be looking at this video like years from now. This is too cute. I can't take it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, keep it 100, she gon' be right there. I'ma love you right, gon' get you right here. We can spend the night, you know you my little yeah. You know we got this song for you. Ain't nothing that I wouldn't do. I know you feel the same way too. Oh yeah, I caught you.
Ooh, she like, catch me then. She say, clink, clink. She say, put a ring on it. Get him, girl.
Alright, cool. That's my B-roll.
Okay, cool. She said, I'm not kissing you through this motherfucker.
Hey, I don't know what this gate being. I'm with you, Reginae. I mean, it's one thing for the camera, but no, we ain't really kissing through this thing.
Lips gonna fall off.
Yeah, I think it'll get stuck.
Boy, why that nigga lie like that, bro? Act like you good again. Oh my God.
I'm right on you, like you're not crossing me up.
Come on.
Check. Check.
Oh, that was a good shot, though. That was a
It
good
would
shot.
have been a good shot.
All right, check ball. Check ball. Watch me bust it. Come on.
Check. Oh.
Here go a shot.
Oh, you check.
You got it. I got it confused. That's my... Bro, what? My pen. Bro, that's why I'm like, where are these tight ass feet? I can't bounce. Alright. That go one.
Damn. There you go.
Yeah.
He almost got it. I think Reginae gonna get one before he do. I'm sorry, I'm being petty.
I have one.
Nigga, man.
Oh!
Oh, you got a ball.
That was a good one.
That's the basketball? Got no pump in that bitch? Yeah, I brought a pump. Nah, they want this ball back.
That motherfucker gone.
I see with the wrist. Snap the wrist, bruh.
Shot ass over this. Shot anyway, so we...
Well, they didn't tell me they was gonna snap it.
Oh,
You get one going there?
Oh, yeah.
three.
It only take one. Now he on fire. You see that? Go ahead, Detroit. Let's get that.
Like,
One
these
more.
motherfuckers changed the ball.
3 for 3.
Video.
Am I gonna go 10 for 10? That's how I used to do it a lot of.
They just said movie stop.
Hey, babe, look, come on. You ready?
Okay, hold on.
All right, y'all. So look, make sure y'all, you know, wait, hold on, look. All right, my name Armand, and I caught you come out this Saturday. Wait, it's Friday. It's Friday. Yep.
Whoa.
Wait, you ready? All right. Yo, my name Armand, Armani, and I caught you this Friday.
That's the what?
No, he went in.
This ain't baseball stop.
Hey, his face.
I seen that bitch bouncing in. I said that shit was about to go in.
And the crowd goes crazy. Crazy. Good job, Armand. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you can. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad.